Check how white my shoes are now. You're a magician, my friend. And they looking pretty good. They smell fresh. Thank you, thank you. So boon is noodles in Vietnamese. Bo is beef, and sao I have no idea. But
Made in Vietnam. You don't believe me? Wait a minute here.
oh, made in Vietnam.
Yeah, có được right. What smell?
I gotta see if it's from Vietnam. So sometimes you can smell the bag. And yeah, the smell kind of smells like pho and banh mi. So yeah, we're getting this bag. Thank you.
You're very funny.
Mic check 1 2. It's your boy John. What's going on? We're in Ho Chi Minh City right now, and I'm about to get my shoes fixed and cleaned, I guess. Check it out real quick. This is my friend. What's your name? Kun. Kun? Kun. Nice to meet you, Kun. So right now he's repairing the sole with, what is it, super glue?
Super glue.
Oh, this is not gonna hold. But yeah, these shoes are about like 10 years old and they're falling apart, as you can see. The soles are coming off and they're pretty dirty. So for around like 50,000 dong, I'm getting them repaired, I guess. And that's like maybe $2. So while I get my shoes cleaned, he actually gave me like some slippers to wear. And this is what they look like, I guess, so I can walk around and stuff.
See?
This one?
Yeah.
This is gonna break, my friend.
No.
How much is one?
350. 350 Việt
God
Nam
dang. I have sunglasses already. It's not my style. I like big boo. I like boo.
Bự có luôn, hay big one, yeah.
This is a big one.
Yeah, big one.
Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah. The local. Yeah.
I have a big head, so these
Yeah,
push
big,
my head.
Yeah. I hit my mirror. Too big. Hả?
I have. Có rồi. Có rồi.
Cái rõ gì vậy?
It's Gucci.
Ray-Ban.
Gucci better.
Ray-Ban better.
My shoes are messed up. See how the paint is all starting to crack? This is the problem with like Jordan 3s. The midsole is not that great and the paint doesn't really stick to the sole. And the whole heel tab actually fell off. But yeah, I love these shoes. Let's see if he can fix these up. How long you been working as like this? How long? 20?
20 years.
Oh, the shoe man. What was your name again?
No,
Name? Tên là gì?
Tuấn.
Tuấn.
Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Yeah.
Hanoi, Hanoi. And now you're in Ho Chi Minh? Why you come Ho Chi Minh?
Mình 20 years. Go Hanoi. Go Hanoi, Saigon. Hanoi, Saigon.
Ho Chi Minh, okay?
Yeah. Good. Ho Chi Minh very good.
So maybe in Ho Chi Minh it's better business here, I guess. But I like Hanoi. Hanoi good. So he's putting super glue all over everything. Oh my god. Let's see what he does with this. I have very little faith the super glue is gonna hold. Maybe like in 1 or 2 hours it's gonna fall apart again, but we'll see. And now he's cleaning it. This is bleach?
Yeah, please.
Bleach! Oh my god. Wow. Very good. And he's gluing the back heel tab too. It's okay. Comes out. It's like a brand new pair of shoes. Brand new. If this is actually bleached, it's gonna ruin my shoes. But they look pretty good now. I like it, I like it. 50. Both pairs. time I got this done, they said 50 for each pair. So you gotta be careful. Oh my god, he's painting my shoes now. No.
Không pháp rồi.
Come on. Oh, okay. Okay. That's gonna come off like right away. But yeah. Oh, on the gray sole too? Alright. Yeah. Nice.
Shiny.
Good? You want your shoes clean too? Yeah, you need some. Only 50,000. Nice. Well, let me see the before and after. Let me see. So this is what it looked like before, and this is after. So it's not bad. You'll come back. I give you business. Give me commission. All right, so there they are, and they looking pretty good. They smell fresh. Thank you. So we cleaned them up pretty good, but the midsole is still not the best, but it's okay. Come on. So I just got my shoes fixed up, and they're looking pretty good. So far, so good. But I don't know how long these repairs are gonna last. But anyways, I'm headed to like one of the bigger markets in Ho Chi Minh. It's called Ben Tan Market. So I kind of want to buy like some clothes, like t-shirts, and maybe grab some food around there. So let's go. Check this out. I'm just like walking on the street basically. There's like no sidewalks or anything. And yeah, this is perfectly fine in Vietnam, I guess. It's normal. But yeah, we have a lot of stuff over here.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a t-shirt. Patagonia? How much is a t-shirt?
150 hả?
150?
Ba rưỡi.
You have a gray one?
3 rưỡi.
You have a gray one?
I have
Like
gray.
this color?
What size?
Big.
How big?
Big. But
How big?
same quality?
Same, exactly the same, 100% cotton.
Where's this made? Vietnam?
Made in Vietnam, all made in Vietnam.
Best. That's the best price?
Very good price. You take the 3XL more expensive.
Let
but
me
I
see,
got
let me
you the
see, let
same
me
price.
see.
Enough
What do you
or
think?
not?
It's too big?
Too big for you.
Or what am I? Double XL?
No, for you XL only.
I like oversized.
You want oversize, you get 2X, okay?
Give me 2X.
2X màu xám, chị rút cái Sài Gòn đi 2X màu xám thôi. Cái cọc chị mới lấy ra đó.
Oh, what the? This is not Patagonia, it's Saigononia.
Yeah, Sài Gòn đi.
You don't have Patagonia?
I have Patagonia too.
Same quality?
Same, exactly the same. Here, 2X.
Oh, this is Saigon. You have Patagonia?
Patagonia like this.
Yeah. You have gray one like this?
Vô coi Patagonia 2X có màu xám không?
So this is my shirt, Patagonia. Is there something on the back?
Nothing on the back.
Nothing on the back? There's something on the back over here, right?
Check on the
150? You see?
I think okay.
Better?
Better.
Shrink a lot?
A little bit, not much.
Here we go. We're getting this for 150 and she's not giving me a better price.
150, very good price.
Okay.
Everybody come my shop, good price.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, thank you very much.
150.
Yeah.
So right off the bat, I already bought a shirt. I was expecting the price to be a little bit more expensive, like around 200, 250, but 150 is all right. The quality is meh, but whatever. So right now, I want to buy some food, and let's try to find the food market.
Chị hiểu không? Đó là nguyên ngày nè.
And this is what the market looks like. I was expecting it to be more local, but yeah. Let's go this way. So over here, it looks like they got a lot of, I guess, fruit candy. Is this fruit candy?
Fruit candy mango.
Made from Vietnam?
Yeah, Vietnam.
Looks delicious. All made by you, this one.
Yeah, pineapple.
And tea too.
Yeah, tea too.
You know where the food is?
Yep.
I want to buy some food.
Food court.
This way? Alright, so this is where the food is, I guess. I don't even know where to begin, actually. Whatever I see that looks good, I'll go. And so far, I don't see anything. Let's go inside this place. We'll get a soup or something. You have food? You have food? Is your food menu?
Okay, food menu.
Alright. See what they got here. Bum bum bum. What do you recommend? What's the best? Huh? Which one is it? Oh, I want this one.
Yeah,
Bún
bò xào.
Bún bò sao.
Bún Thái.
So 60,000. That's about like maybe a little bit over $2. So I just got my bún bò sao, and this is what it looks like. It's got rice noodles, or no, this is vermicelli, some beef, and some fish sauce. So bún is noodles in Vietnamese. Bo is beef, and sao, I have no idea. But and I think you just put the fish sauce in the noodles like this. And it's got a little bit of chilies in it, so should be a little bit spicy. The Vietnamese spice is not that spicy. But anyways, let's try this out and give it a go. Hopefully this is good. There you go. Just let me get a little bit of the beef in there. There we go. Very good, very good. I love like Vietnamese noodles when they have like the fish sauce with the noodles. So good. So savory. I actually don't think they even cooked it. It's already like pre-warmed up or pre-cooked, and they just mashed it all together because it's not even like hot or warm. So yeah, it's kind of like a room temperature noodle. It's not a cold noodle, but it's room temperature. Well, very good. That was really good, but I'm still a little bit hungry. So if I find something that looks good to me, I will get more, but so far, no bueno. But we're still gonna check out some of this market, and let's walk around and check it out. Alright, let's go. Let's check out what else they sell over here. I'm looking for a bag. Bag. Oh, here we go. How much is a bag? This one's $4.50.
That one is the new size, very good. I got one more, is the lower quality like this.
Oh yeah? How much is this one?
This one 200.
You have a red one?
No. Listen, when you get is the lower the quality is zipper, always different color in the back. And when you get is the good quality in zipper, always same.
Yeah.
And you can feel this, you can touch it.
I'm touching.
And this one.
Oh yeah, I like this one better.
Yes. This one better? You wrong.
So how much is the Adidas one?
Good deal, okay? One deal for you.
One deal.
350. It's my real deal. See first. Just see it.
Right.
1,250,000.
It's the fake one.
No, you can check it.
1 million?
You can check it. You can check it's the zip. No, you just see first.
Good quality.
Very nice. Yes.
KKY?
What?
You understand the good zipper quality?
The zipper, because the name is same as this.
This one? This is alright.
Huh.
Only one color?
Yes.
You said 350?
Yes. It's my real
250.
right.
250.
No, listen.
250.
It's my real right.
I
It's
buy now. I buy
where
now.
you from?
I'm from Canada.
Yeah. You look like Vietnam.
250, please.
I'm
Em ơi,
Em ơi,
hôm nay không có tiền.
you speak Vietnam very good.
Little bit. I had
You can
some.
see my price, 1,250,000.
Oh my god.
But I told you it's good deal, just
This
350.
girl's smart. She putting the price on the bag, the fake
I
price.
promise. I do
that's good.
very best deal with you.
300.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Wrong hand.
So we're buying a bag for 300. How much US dollars is that?
It's around 12.
$12?
Yeah. You can check. It's the nice, very nice the quality.
Oh, you can put a laptop in here?
Yes.
What else can you put in here?
Yeah, very nice. It's
Oh,
the name
nice.
here. Because you know what? Adidas, the North Face, Nike got factories the Vietnam, and we
Wait a
got
minute. This is made in Vietnam?
You don't know that? You can check in the internet.
Is it Chinese or Vietnam?
No, no, no.
India.
No Chinese, no India.
Are you sure?
Sure. Made in Vietnam. You don't believe me? Wait a minute. Here.
Oh, made in Vietnam.
Yeah. No Chinese, no India. No.
So when you're buying like stuff like this at like Southeast Asia, everyone says Vietnam is always the best.
Because
Quality.
they got the gut factories here.
That's why.
Yes?
They have factories in China.
No.
They
It's
don't?
China got the iPhone.
Oh, okay.
Correct?
I guess.
Yes, iPhone is made in Chinese.
Alright.
Go in the back. What smell?
I gotta see if it's from Vietnam. So sometimes you can smell the bag, and yeah, you can smell. It kind of smells like pho and banh mi. So yeah, we're getting this bag. Thank you.
You're very funny.
Not bad.
Where your real countries? So
I'm from Canada.
your face you look like Korea.
Oh, thank you. But my mom is from Laos.
Yeah, and?
My dad is from Vietnam.
Mm.
Yeah. Ho
But
Chi
you
Minh.
can speak Vietnam.
I'm trying to learn.
you.
Maybe she can teach me.